Ponytails are not only functional for keeping hair out of your face, but also serve as stylish fashion statements. To create a basic ponytail, begin by combing your hair and preparing a hair tie. Gather your hair in your dominant hand, positioning it at your desired height. Then smooth it back before securing it with the tie. For added stability, consider using bobby pins. You can enhance your ponytail's look by misting it with hairspray, hiding the hair tie with a strand of hair, or incorporating volume through back combing or a claw clip. For a fancier style, try a topsy-turvy ponytail or accessorize with clips and bows. Experiment with different parts and positions for a unique flair, ensuring that your ponytail reflects your personal style.